Hello, I'm Olga Zinovieva, and I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Moodles for Teachers. Go to the top right corner and click on your name. Then you will see a short review of all the information that you chose to give. Country, webpage, and so on. Go back, click on Preferences. Another window will appear on your left. Click on the second Edit Profile and add as much information as you want. Here you can write a description and be sure to use the rich editor to edit the description. Choose a photo in your personal computer and add it. If you have middle names, you can place them. If you want to inform the others about your interests, you can choose. Anything optional is up to you. Then be sure to press Update Profile or the changes will not be saved. Also, in your profile, you can see the messages. I've got one from Nelly Deutsch. Thank her for that. Also, you can even keep your private files in the Moodle. You can see all the posts that you made in forums. You can see all the discussions you took part in. You can see the grades. Right now I'm taking the course Moodle for Teachers. You can also see the badges. Unfortunately, I haven't got any badges so far, but I hope to get one tomorrow. And then I will learn how to work with this and what to do with this. You can log out and get help. You can see that only in Preferences you have some additional lines. So just click on all of them and you will see lots of things. I hope that helps. Thank you very much and have a good weekend.